maybe the manager or Mr. Turretts could speak to Manor 2 and their capability as a qualified vendor.
Manor 2, there's a process that we go through with all of our vendors. We have a purchasing agent, we have a qualified purchasing agent who handles all of our purchasing, who puts out the bid specifications for everything that's bid on. This project was put out to bid, it was advertised in the newspaper, it was sent to trade organizations. We had numerous people pick up big bid packages, but only one person submitted a bid package. As far as Manor 2 is concerned, our purchasing agent, as he would do with anyone, we award a contract to, he'd check out their references, make sure that they're an organization that can supply that they can meet the particular contract that we're awarding. So this isn't something that we just award a contract to anyone. There's also certain bonds that are necessary for the contractor to put up, performance bond and things like that to guarantee that
So if this one guy dropped the generator because he's a one-man shop and he dropped the generator and it broke, he'd be bonded to protect that equipment.
That, and we wouldn't pay him until it's until it's installed according to the specifications and it's running properly.
Excellent. Thank you.